We'll wait for the recording.
Ma'am, now I do prayer recording is started.
Now we can start. Yes, yes, yes.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
Bye.
Ma'am, complete.
Okay, Zoha, unmute your mic then. Okay, now Fatima Makbul, so please read the thought.
Yes, ma'am. Changes is the end result of all true learning.
Again, change is the end result of,
Change is
come
the
on,
end result of
read
all.
again.
Yes, ma'am.
Is being cut again. Thought again.
Okay. Change is the end.
Again.
Change is the end result of all true learning.
Very good. So change is the end result of all true learning. Okay. So what does it mean? Change is the end result of all true learning. Now you got your education and you've got a nice your job or you got a good career. Then what happens? Obviously, a good change, isn't it? At the end, what happens is either you'll go into a very good stream of your career or you will do a very big company. And obviously, with the change, like if you're educated, you get what you want, everything. Your personality also changes, your behavior also changes, your standard of living also. And with that, that is the, if you're truly educated, not only, but even you have improved your uh, communication skills, your social life, all this, and what happens at the end, the result, obviously, there's a change in everything. So, do you agree or you don't agree? Do you agree or you don't agree? Can you hear me? What I'm saying?
Ma'am,
Girls,
your voice was coming
girls,
then going. Your voice is breaking and not coming proper.
huh? Only one is breaking. Even when
Yes, it is not coming voice. And the screen is
Yes,
also black.
ma'am.
And your screen is also gone.
will come just now, better.
Ma'am, it's black.
But my voice, I want to know whether it is clear. Is it clear? Huh? What better?
Ma'am, we cannot hear you.
Is not better. Huh? Muskan, one girl tell me.
Ma'am, your voice is coming then going. And your screen is also half. Yes, ma'am. We can see
Breaking.
change,
Breaking.
result, and LER.
Not sure?
Ma'am, we can see half only.
You
We
can't?
can see half. Yes, ma'am. We can't see full.
How is it
We only can see
What
half.
about the voice of
Ma'am, your voice is coming and going, and it's
Right?
breaking too in
Can
between.
you hear my voice?
Ma'am, it is breaking. No, ma'am, we can't hear your
And you all.
voice. We will
So
half only.
okay. So let Bluetooth one half. Okay, okay, okay. I will present it. Now listen to me. You all just wait for 2 minutes. I'll change from Bluetooth to hands free. So let me change.
Ma'am, hello, ma'am. Ma'am, it's connected to your phone.
Now can I see the
Okay,
screen?
ma'am.
Can
Now,
you see
ma'am.
this? It is clear?
Yes,
Okay, so
ma'am.
what
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Okay, so that means my something was wrong with my Bluetooth. Okay, so I have explained anyway, change is the end result of all true learning. So if you are truly educated, not only in academics but in your behavior, in your social life, and you have that means there'll be a change in your life also, and that will be a good change. Okay, so let me again stop presenting the screen and start sharing the grammar. Okay.
Okay.
Now you have written better that I was outside, so you can send me the answer of phrasal verb. Again, I'm going to discuss today because I didn't want you all to want me to waste my time repeating everything. Yesterday, I had told Marine to send the phrasal verbs and the phrases and clauses, but I told her the answers also over the phone, but she never wrote it in the textbook. So today I'm going to give you the last time. I'm not going to repeat every now and then. That's why I was telling girls, those who have got the answers in your textbook of last year, please send me the PDF. But none of y'all understood what I was trying
Hello,
to tell
ma'am.
you all. Yes, tell me.
I will,
Yes,
ma'am,
tell
I
me.
will send. I have
One
written.
second,
Ma'am,
one second. Let
ma'am,
Marine finish. Yes, tell me, Marine.
ma'am, I am Iman. Ma'am, I
Yes,
had
Iman,
written, so
tell
I
me.
will. So, ma'am, I will
Yes,
send.
one second. Imam, you have got the answers of phrases and clauses, you've got the answers of phrasal verbs, and you've got the answers of the comprehension.
Yeah.
Everything you check properly, because see, I have sent the answers to Muskan yesterday, and I told her to write it down because I have to send the printed form. But I want all of you to write in your textbook and then show me the screen so that I can present it whenever I want to. But I don't know, Muskan says she'll do it today. Let me see. Okay.
Ma'am, I have done also.
We have done everything, and yes, I have and Imam, you have got the all the answers of phrasal verbs and phrase and clause.
Yes, ma'am,
Imam,
my chapter is incomplete now, so my brother helped me to doing the.
so you have completed everything. Then today, please send me, or you can just show me a screen of.
Yeah.
Can you present your screen of phrases and clause? No, sorry. First, let me complete this. What is it we are doing? Comprehension. Okay. And
Okay.
yesterday, by the way, I have sent you all one formal letter because I saw that what Rohan sir had done was not completed by all of you all. So, to make it easy for you all, I have sent it. I'm not supposed to send it, you all are supposed to write on your own, but I sent it. Okay, so that you will do it properly in the exams. All of you all have seen the letter, or you have not seen the letter?
We
Seen
have
it.
You have
We
seen the
have
letter.
seen. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so all of you
Ma'am,
all
we
just
have to
seeing is
write
not
the
enough.
letter in grammar verb.
What better? Yes, you have
We
to
have
write the
to
letter
write.
in the grammar where book. And secondly, let me tell you that listen to me better. I have written from whatever it's the boy's name. You can write your name, okay? And in the end also you have to write your name. I just one a letter which I just came to my mind. I wrote it, but for the girls you have to write your names, okay? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yesterday we did all this. Now, what is it? Answer the question. Give the meaning of sibling. We've done this also. Yes, we have
Yes,
done this also.
ma'am. We have done this,
Yes,
ma'am.
I know that we have done. Okay, now look at the B part. Simian siblings is an example of alliteration. Give two more such examples. Okay. Now, alliteration is when a letter or it is repeated. Like in simian siblings, the SS is repeated. Okay. The simian siblings, SS is repeated. Can you see that? Can you see the SS is repeated?
Yes,
In
ma'am.
B, simian
Yes, ma'am.
siblings. So when the two letters, two words or three words which follow with the same starting of the letter, then it is called a alliteration. What is it called? Alliteration. What is it called? Okay,
Alliteration.
okay, okay. Now you will find this. You know, so apart from this, there are two more examples in the text. You know, in the passage. So let's find two more alliterations. Okay, let's check. Okay, two more alliterations. Just search for it if you can find in the first paragraph. First is simian siblings is in the first line itself. If two words are followed by the same letter, starting with the same letter.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, I have showed.
Yes, tell me, beta.
Yes. In
Tell me.
yes. In 1 minute, huh, ma'am? In ma'am sixth line, there is different directions.
Yes, different directions. Okay, anybody else?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
See, in the first line, there's one more. Just check.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, splendid sight.
Splendid sight, correct. So you know what is alliteration. All of you know what is alliteration, right? I don't think there is any more. Let me check, you know, if there is. I don't think so. Okay, so we don't have any more. So the two answers are you can write it in your book now. One is splendid sight and the other is different directions.
Ma'am,
You have to keep, huh, better.
ma'am, please show the page number. Yes. Okay, ma'am.
Page number, you should know comprehension.
119, no? 119.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, which
Beta,
line?
you do not the first line and the fourth line, fifth line, I think, sixth line, sorry.
A splendid sight.
And the second is different directions. Okay?
Soon they moved in different direction.
Okay, yes.
Even
Everybody's
wooden
marked it and written it down. All of you have written down. I showed it because of the spellings. So if you don't know how to spell, whose mic is unmute, beta? Okay. Now, uh, next is what? Okay. Now give another word for fruit vendor or smell. Can you give another like very easy? Give another word for fruit vendor. A person who sells fruit. What do you call him? A person who sells fruits. What do we call him?
fruit vendor.
What do you call a person who sells fruits? I'm giving you in the what I'm saying itself. There's a clue over there. What do you call a person who sells fruits? The clue is in what I said just now.
Fruit, fruit, fruit seller.
Fruit seller is correct answer. Fruit seller is correct answer. Okay, now another word for smell is, do you all know? Otherwise, I'll tell you the answer. Another word for smell is aroma. 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 So please write it down, fruit seller and aroma. Have you written it down? Okay. The next is, what is the plural of onlooker? Onlooker means the people who are looking, they are called onlookers. So what is the answer of plural? What is the plural?
Ma'am, please repeat it. Number.
It is written there, the question. What is the plural of onlooker? You know singular and plural, right? Tables. Flowers.
Yes.
So what is the plural of onlooker?
Looker. Looker.
Onlookers. Everybody is not. Okay, mute your mics. Mute your mics. It is onlookers. Just you have to add a S. Okay, then write the opposite of. What is the opposite of confusion? What is the answer? Yes, beta.
C. C.
What? Please repeat.
Can you please
Please.
repeat number two? Can you please
Number
repeat number
one.
two?
What
C.
number? C.
Alphabet
Fruit
C.
vendor is fruit seller and smell is aroma. You write fruit vendor, opposite you write fruit seller. Then you write smell, you write aroma.
Okay, ma'am.
And then what is the plural of onlooker? Onlookers. Then what is the opposite of confusion?
Ma'am, solution.
Tell me better. If you're
Ma'am,
answering, tell me. What?
Solution.
What is the
Solution.
opposite of confusion? No, better. What is the opposite of confusion? No.
So,
Confusion means you, 1 second. Confusion means when there's a lot of noise and people are running about and something would have happened, then there's a confusion. Like we don't know what is happening. Confusion. So what is the opposite of confusion? Just like opposite of good is bad, like that, tall or short. What is the opposite of confusion? Okay, I'll tell you. It is clarity. Clarity. CLA. All of you write down. CLARITY. Clarity. Okay. The next is creating. What is the opposite of creating?
not
Create
doing.
means create means to make. What you're saying is not make is correct, but there is another word for it. Let me
Not
explain.
doing.
It is destroying. Destroying. DEST. Write on. DESTROYING. DESTROYING.
Then sharp.
Sharp is, all of you must be knowing the opposite of sharp.
Not sharp. Smooth.
See, when your knife is sharp, you say this knife is very sharp. But when it is not sharp, what will you say?
Blunt.
Blunt. Yes, blunt. You read it from the book? Blunt. 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 Okay. Now, grab and snatch are synonyms. Do you agree? Synonyms means they have the same meaning. They are the same meaning. The meaning of grab is snatch and the meaning of snatch is grab. Is it correct?
Grab and snatch. And
Both are correct.
snatch means grab.
Okay.
Snatch means
So
grab.
Yes, yes. So you have to write, do you agree? Yes. You put a yes and comma. Yes, you're right. Yes,
Yes, yes,
comma. And then you write grab and snatch are synonyms. You see in the first line, same thing you write. Grab and snatch are synonyms. That means they have the same meaning. Antonyms means opposite and synonyms means same meaning. Okay. Oliver, right?
yeah, ma'am.
Everybody is finished?
Yeah,
Everybody is
yeah,
completed? Okay. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, tell me. Who is the one who's speaking last? But who was that? Anyone has a query now? Please tell me. Okay, now listen. We have completed this lesson. We have completed the question answers. But this is not going to come in the exam. But that doesn't mean you don't have to write. You have to write all the answers. And I'm going to ask you all to present the screen. Anybody name I ask randomly. Okay. So yes, Imam, you have
yes,
got
ma'am.
all the answers written. You've got all the answers written of the comprehension and everything we did just now.
Yeah, ma'am. Can
Check.
I show?
Check. No, you got no. So do one thing. To send me a PDF of that, and I will send it to the group. Okay? Okay
I
or
will.
not?
Okay,
Okay.
okay, ma'am. I will send.
But see, I don't have to remind you because yesterday Marine gave me a lot of trouble because till night I was after her and I couldn't, and she one or two she uploaded. I mean, she sent me the PDF, but the answers were not there. In spite of me telling her over the phone, these are the answers. I thought she's writing down. She never wrote it down. So it has not come. Otherwise, I would have shown her PDF only. But please, if you have the answers and if I've asked you, see that it is there, then only send me. Okay, now I will stop presenting the screen and we will do the revision fast of uh, first we'll do a phrase clause and those who have not got the answers, please write the answers.
Ma'am,
So
I
don't
will
tell
send you after class or now only.
what better.
Ma'am, I will send after class or now only.
No, no, after class. If you have got the answers of phrase and clause, if you have got all the answers of phrasal verbs, and you've got all the answers of the comprehension, I want all the three together. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes or no? If you haven't got, tell me now
Yes,
itself.
ma'am.
Check your book and tell me. Okay, in the meantime, I'm presenting. I'll present the screen. Uh, Tahir Fatima Zamani, she left. I don't know why.
Ma'am, it is there everything.
Everything is there now? Good.
Yeah. I will send you after class only.
Yes, better, yes. But yeah, it's going off. Why the screen has become blank? National sentences. I'm waiting for phrasal verbs and phrasal clause. Who's sent me? Let me check. Okay, Imam.
Yes, ma'am.
Imam. Better you present the screen of what do you call phrases and clause fast.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay.
So everybody
Ma'am, I
check your answers.
started.
What better?
Sharing. Ma'am, I start sharing or can I show in video?
No. Start sharing. Start sharing. Start.
Ma'am, you can see my screen.
Yes, I can see, but let it open, then I can see it. Okay.
Mm.
Why is it becoming enlarged? Enlarged. Yes, yes. Again, it's changed upside down. The paper has changed just upside
Yeah,
down,
ma'am.
better.
Yeah,
Okay. So show me the first exercise.
ma'am. Ma'am, can you see
I can
this
see the
first
page here, but
exercise?
I can't see the exercise. I can't see the exercise.
Okay, ma'am. Now you can see her.
No, no. Yeah, yes. Scroll it up a little. Scroll it up a little. Little up, up, up.
Yeah,
Where's the exercise on phrase and clause? Exercise on phrase and
ma'am.
clause.
This identify the phrases and clauses.
But I cannot see. Anyway, see, our time is being wasted. It is not being presented properly.
Ma'am, just a second. Ma'am, first I make PDF, then I show.
No, better leave it, leave it, leave it. Better leave it. Better leave it. Leave it, better. I share what I've been sent by Marine.
Ma'am, I had messaged you. I mean,
Yeah, doesn't matter, better, doesn't matter. Because I don't have the book, it's a problem for me actually. We have told over there also. Ravjani, have you sent me the phrasal clause and verbs better anytime?
yes, ma'am. I have sent to
You sent me singing grasses, you have sent me, I don't know what you sent.
you. Grew up, I was home.
Okay. This is musical song, clause and phrase.
Second.
Yes, clause and phrase.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, beta is going to come better. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I had make PDF. Now can I show?
No, better now don't want to because already a lot of time is wasted. Okay, so all of you know what is a phrase and a clause. A group of words that makes sense but does not convey complete sense is called a phrase. Actually, as I told you, let's see in the beginning, a yellow colored butterfly. Okay, we don't know what about it, anything more about it. Or at midnight, if you say, or an old pair of jeans, or in the morning, an English teacher, it's all incomplete. These are called phrases which doesn't make complete sense. But again, we'll move on to here. You can see the difference between a phrase and a clause. What are the difference? A phrase is a group of words, but clause is a group of words which has a meaning. Then phrase contains no verb and subject, and clause contains verb and subject. And phrase cannot stand independently, and clause can stand independently. That means a clause has a complete meaning. Okay. Now the exercise. Yes, better. Marine. Sorry, no, Muskan. Muskan.
Yes, ma'am.
You write down you got it in your book. No, why are you saying you don't have the answers? Or phrasal verbs you need.
Uh,
No, okay, I'll tell you. Okay, I'll tell you.
yes,
So all
yes.
of you now listen over here. Uh, all of you all can see the answers over here. Okay. So the kite flying is what? What is kite flying? Phrase or clause? What
Phrase.
is kite
Flight,
flying?
flying is phrases. Phrases.
Okay, a fresh tulip. A
Phrase.
fresh
Phrase.
tulip. Phrase. You'll understand and then answer, because you should know what is a phrase and what is a clause. Okay, while I got up. Does it make complete sense? Yes. While I got up, something happened. So you say while I got up. Okay, it is a clause. But we eat rice. That is, again, it is telling us something. It has a we is the subject and eat is the verb, and it is making complete sense. That's why it is a clause. So we eat rice. Then he stored them. He stored them. He is the subject, stored is the verb, and them is the object, and it makes complete sense. He stored them. Suppose you ask whether the chocolates, he stored them. So it makes a complete sense. That's why it's a clause. The animals on the farm. Okay, we know only that the animals on the farm, but which animals are there, which farm is there, we don't know. So it doesn't make complete sense. Okay, the animals can be the subject, farm can be the object, but where is the verb? So it does not make complete sense. The spilt milk. Spilt milk, okay? We don't know the complete answer. Whether the spilt milk was dropped by somebody, whether the spilt milk had gone bad. So, what is it? But it is a phrase. That's why it doesn't make complete sense. Then, according to the notice by the forest department. So, again, this is a clause. Why? Because it has the subject, it has the verb. According to the notice sent by the forest department. So here, forest department sent a notice. So forest department is the subject, sent is the verb, and notice is the object. And it makes complete sense. Suppose somebody said that nobody is going to enter this area. No, it is forbidden. You are not supposed to enter. Why? Because according to the notice sent by the forest department, the forest department has sent a notice that nobody should uh, uh, enter this uh, portion. Okay, so this is a complete meaning. It has a subject, it has a verb, and it has a object also. But no need for object, but you need to have a subject and a verb to know more, to understand whether it is a clause or a phrase. Then while I tasted the ice cream, again, it makes complete sense that I tasted the ice cream. So you know what I was doing. Okay. Then who closed the door? Again, we know that it is somebody who's closed the door. So it makes sense. Okay. If I just say who closed, it will not make sense. But if I say who closed the door, we can say who closed can be anything. Who closed the cupboard, who closed the window, who closed the door, who closed the bag. But here we know who closed the door. We're talking about the door. So it makes complete sense. So it is a clause. Now, those who have not got these answers, please write them down fast in your book. Anybody has not got the answers? Everybody's got the answers? Yes or no?
Yes,
Girls?
ma'am.
Okay. So this is, see, we are revising this. We have to complete revision of all the lessons also. Now underline the main clause and circle the subordinate clause. Okay, I want Imam. Imam,
Yes, ma'am.
read
Yes, ma'am.
read and tell the answers of all this. Subordinate and
Okay, ma'am.
hmm.
Number Question number 3. Underline the main clauses and circle
Subordinate,
the surround
subordinate clause.
sub subordinate clauses in the sentences.
Hmm.
Number A. Number Number A. King Jirach speak as through he was born to rule. King Jirach books that's
As
underline
though. Oh, it
and
is
as
not do,
through,
as though. Okay.
yeah.
Hmm.
He was born to rule. In that we have to do circular.
So King
Number
George
B.
underlined and spoke as though he was born to. So King George spoke. Till spoke, it is underlined, and
Is clause
as though he
is
was born to rule is circle. Okay.
yeah.
Next.
Number B. They felt that the new
Not
leader
not
will
ladder. Leader.
leader will
They,
make good changes.
Hmm.
They felt that is underlined and new leader will make good changes is circular.
Okay, okay, now
No,
I
ma'am.
what
Ma'am,
beta?
they felt the underline. Ma'am, they
They felt
felt
is
the
underlined.
underline आता है, but हाँ
What
और
but?
that the new leader will make good
हाँ तो
changes.
वही
उस
बोली
पे
ना, she
सर्कल
said
हो.
same thing. She said that only, no? They felt underlined and that the new leader will make good changes is circle. Okay, now I want Muskan to read the next two. Muskan fast. C and D.
Yes, yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
Hmm.
See, see, when at the last he returned to his country, nobody could recognize him.
Hmm.
Main clause is uh, uh, when at least last he returned to his
No,
country
beta.
is
No,
main.
beta. Main clause is not that. Which is the main clause?
Oh,
Nobody could recognize him is underlined. It is the
yes,
main
yes, yes.
clause. Hmm.
And main clause is nobody could recognize him, and the subordinate clause is when at last he returned to his country.
Hmm.
Alphabet D. The
Hmm.
newspaper will tell us tomorrow what the world does today.
Just today.
Sub does
Hmm.
today. Main clause is what the world does today, and
No,
subordinate
beta.
clause
No,
is
beta. What is no, beta? What are you saying, beta? Number D. What is the main clause?
main clause is what the world does today.
No, beta. Actually, it's mistake. The newspaper will tell us tomorrow is the main clause.
But
Is
no,
what underline? Is underline. Is underline. The newspaper will tell us is underline, and what the world does today is circle. All of y'all, if you have made the mistake, please change it. The
I
newspaper
have
will tell
already,
us tomorrow is underline, and what the world does today is circle. Come on, next.
yes, ma'am, 1 minute. Alphabet E. I could not tolerate what he said because it was very rude.
Hmm.
The main clause is I could not tolerate, and the
Very
subordinate clause is what he said because it was very rude.
correct. Now Zoha. Zoha is there. Zoha. Zoha. Okay, Zoha is not there. Who's going to read now? I want somebody else.
Can I, Iman?
Yes, Imam, you already read, no?
Yeah.
Somebody else. Who is that? The girl who read
Ma'am,
the dua? Not
my
dua. Yes, yes. Who is that, beta? Your name? Your name, beta?
Taiba.
Yes, please, Saiba. Please tell me. This is
This is the hotel where we had stayed.
okay. So, which is the main clause? Beta, which is the main clause?
The
Huh?
this is the hotel is underlined where we had stayed. Circle.
Very good. Try the next one also. Hmm.
They
Abandoned.
they a-
Abandoned.
they abandoned the building after the caught fire.
After it caught fire, huh?
The abandoned
They
the
abandoned.
the abandoned is
No, you have to
underlined.
tell me. No, they abandoned the building is underlined. They abandoned the building is main clause. They abandoned the building is underlined. Okay.
After the coach fire are
Is
circle.
correct.
Is
Is
circle.
okay.
Is circle.
Okay. Now next, I want Farana is there. Farana. Farana. Fareen. Farhana, Fadin is not there. Zoha, Farhana, Farhana, Farhana.
नहीं है,
Okay, okay. Farin.
वो
Okay,
भी
what about
नहीं है.
Zoha? Zoha, Zoha.
She is also not there.
She was there just now, no? Okay, come on.
No.
Now again, yes, who
Ma'am,
will
but she
read?
left.
Anybody else whose name is not called out can please read. Yes, tell me your name and say the answer fast. Better we have lots to revise.
Ma'am.
Yes, Imam, please complete everything because I cannot wait for everybody. Come on.
Okay,
Imam, fast.
Number I.
All the way.
The dog did not bark until its master came along.
No, H1. Although he was honest, although he was poor, he was honest.
Although he was poor, he was honest. Uh,
Which is the underline?
True.
He was honest is to be underlined. He is honest. He was honest is the main clause. Okay. He was honest is the main clause, and although he was poor is the subordinate. Please mark it if you have not marked properly. Come on, next one, beta. थोड़ा जल्दी करो, beta. Read fast. Yes. Yes, Iman, fast, beta.
Yeah, ma'am.
Fast, man.
Dog did not bark until its
Good morning,
master
Ruby
came
ma'am.
along.
Yes, 1 second. Who's it? 1 second. Yes, Nazima is over. The lecture is over.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, girls. We'll continue with